All right, let me ask you the question. Why have I done that back first? Because then when I put, this is the wrong tile, I'll get the right colour. When I put my side tile on, it goes like that, and I don't have to worry about a chipped edge. See how nice it's going to end up? Just like that. Just like that. Half a tile, half a tile. Lovely, tell your mum. How's that going to fit together? I'd like to know. Take those two off. Okay. Right, okay. Go the other way. Yeah, so it's just sort of filling in the dots now. I like that.